we have created the code. Now we have to go for creation of a repository. Create a repository for this project. So here you can see, and here we have to add a readme file and then GitIgnore as well. So this GitIgnore is for Visual Studio. So select it for Visual Studio. We are going to create a project into the Visual Studio and click on initialize. So now you can see this project is got added here. This project and repository got added here. This is the main branch. So main branch and default. So now for this main branch, we have to create a dev branch as well. So go to here branches, and from here you just create a new branch, and here I'll say dev branch. That's a development branch, and we can link this item to create a WPF project here, and just click on it here and create. Okay, now if you click on this branch of a dev and then clone this dev to the Visual Studio. So now go to the click on this Visual Studio and open Visual Studio. So I'm cloning into this directory and click on the clone. Cloning becomes successful. Now you can create a new project, WPF application, and here we'll say HVAC solution. Save into this mapped directory. Here we mapped our project WPF projects and select folder. And then click next, create. So here our project got added, and you can see it here in this solution explorer. This is got added. So this got loaded. Just build it once. This git changes we can push into our branch. So user story one colon one underscore colon initial git initial project repos added. This you can see, commit all and push.